Okay, are you Aboni?
Yes, I'm Aboni.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Okay, that's fine. What class do you study?
I started in class 5.
What's your school's name?
The name of my school is Hampton Public School, Towers, Lamont.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Abu Kalamaja.
What's your father?
My father is a government service holder.
Then what's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Shamina Harpoli.
What's your mother?
My mother is a family clinic visitor.
Okay, that's fine. Aboni, today is your speaking test, right? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, I want to learn from you daily activities, right? So, you make a presentation using daily activities.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum. Adab and very good morning. It is truly a great honor to me to be here today. I hope you are very happy and well enough. I am pretty fine as well. It is a good sign to say something in front of you, but I'm not a very good speaker, so please pardon me if any mistake. By the way, I am here to say about daily activities. My daily activities. I wake up early in the morning, then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I do ablution. Next, I say my morning prayer. I eat breakfast and get ready to school. Then I go to school. After school, I return home. Then I take shower. After that, I take rest. Then I go to playground. After that, I go to play in the afternoon. Then I return home in sunset. After that, I eat supper and go to bed at 11 a.m. That's all for today. I have enjoyed the moment with all you.
Okay, that's fine. This is your daily activities, right? So in the evening, you do not study. You do not study. You only take your supper and then go to bed. You do not study. Okay. So when do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. When do you return from school?
I return from school 1 p.m.
Okay. When do you take your lunch?
I take my lunch in 2:30 p.m.
At 2:30 p.m. or at 2:30 p.m. Right? 2:30 p.m. Okay. What's your future plan?
I want to be a magistrate.
Magistrate. Okay, that's fine. And thank you very much.